Okay, we are on the bus to Animal Kingdom. We have just arrived at Animal Kingdom. We have just gone to Starbucks. Big drink. And cinnamon roll. Yum yum. It's like walking through the jungle. This is where they have rivers of light. So we will be going to that later. I've just done Carly River Rapids. Didn't get too wet actually. You usually get soaked in that, but I didn't get too wet. So now we're off to.
Now, what's the one thing we remember before we head out from here?
The ocean's not safe, so we have to check if the coast is clear.
Right. We go out, then back in, and then we go out, and then back in, and one more time out, and then back in, and sometimes, if you want to do it 4 times.
Come on!
Okay, so we've had the day at Animal Kingdom. I went on Expedition Everest again. I love that ride. And single rider, it's really good. It's not as quick as it was the other day because it's obviously Sunday, so it's a bit busier, but it's still only 20 minutes for single ride. It's not too bad. And then where did we go? Oh, Dinosaur. Did Dinosaur. Then we went to watch Finding Nemo, and then we went to do It's Tough to Be a Bug, and we have just done Avatar Flight of Passage. That was amazing, really, really good ride. I knew that was going to be good because everyone was saying how good it was, but that was just really, really good. You actually feel like you're flying. It's a bit like soaring, but you're on like a back of a banshee, which is like you're sat on a motorbike thing, and it's just really cool. So now we have got a reservation at Yak and Yeti at 5 o'clock, but we're going to go and see if we can go in earlier to that. Okay, so we just went into Yak and Yeti and it's pouring down with rain. We had a reservation at 5 and we asked if we could go in earlier, and they said yep, they've checked us in and they'll let us know when a table's ready, so that's pretty good. And then we can go into Rivers of Light after that, and we won't be in such a rush because I think it was going to be a bit of a rush otherwise. Okay, so we're now in Yak and Yeti. We've got a nice little table on the side building. It's pouring down outside, so that was really, really good timing. And yeah, we're just going to have some.
It's really, really good that. It doesn't say how much. What's weird though is like it doesn't say. Mark.
Okay, so we just got a meal, so that was the steak. And I went for sweet and sour chicken, which was really nice.
Sorry.
Okay, we just had dinner at Yak and Yeti. Oh my god, I'm stuffed. We had sweet and sour chicken and steak and mashed potato, and then we had the pineapple upside down cake with ice cream and the New York cheesecake, and they were really, really yummy. Yeah, far too filling, eating far too much, so we're just going for a little walk now. It's quite nice because it's just the sun's going down and all the lights are coming out, and we've never been at Animal Kingdom in the evening before because usually it shuts like 5 o'clock when we've been here before, but now they've got Rivers of Light and Pandora. It's all open till 8 o'clock I think tonight, so it's just so different seeing it all at night time.